So hello, what's up guys? So today I'm going to tell you how to solve the font problem in Windows 10. Recently I installed a software named as Boost FPS or FPS Boost. So after installing it, I saw that my screen is totally dull and the font is changed. So I think to uninstall the software, and after I uninstalled it, nothing happened. Literally. After that I have to set everything manually. But one thing I can't set manually, which was the font. So the font was the biggest problem for me. So I'm gonna tell you that how to solve it. So let's begin. First of all, go to the search and type notepad. After opening notepad, paste the following code. I will give the code in the description box. You can copy it from there. Go to the file, hit save as. Now I will save it to my desktop. Now name it anything, like I'm naming it default text. And remember to type .reg. This is very important guys. So make sure you enter it. Now hit save. After that, close notepad. Now you can see this file on your desktop. Now right click the file, hit merge. Yes, once again hit OK. So guys, now you are done. And if your problem is not solved yet, so you can comment me in the comment box. I will help you. Now guys, there's a last step lefting. Go to the Windows button and click this power button and hit restart. So restart your PC and everything will be fine. Now guys, if this video was helpful, so please subscribe, like and share this video with your other friends who are getting the same problem. So bye guys, and make sure to hit a like on this video if you liked it.